the channel. I'm Minas and this is Can You Dig It? Guys, today we've installed this 18-foot panel wall using 2x1s with 1.5-inch gaps all the way across, using this bad boy DeWalt 18-gauge brad nailer. Right guys, so let's show you how I did it. Can you dig it? Okay guys, so that panel wall is going to go here. We're going to have some seating across the bottom. And what we needed to figure out was it's a brick wall with plaster, so we're going to run some slats across the top and halfway, and then we just put these on. Cool. Okay guys, so we've got the horizontal support beam across, and we've put one at the top there and one up there. It's had to be a little bit fiddly around here, up in that corner and over here as well, just with the wires. So now is the fun bit. We can start putting on the panels. There they are. They need cutting down obviously, but yeah, let's get cracking. Right guys, so that's the back wall done, and you can see we're going to deal with that and that as well, because thickness of the slats is not thick enough, or sorry, the opposite, and we used 1.5 inch spacer block to make sure we had equal space across it all. Now we're just moving on to that bit there. It's going to be a bit tricky with that at the top in the middle guys, but we'll get around it. And there you have it guys, it's all done. It took about 4.5–5 hours to do. Really fun to do, very fun job, really enjoyed it. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, then check out some of my other videos floating about the screen. I'm Minas, this is Can You Dig It? And that's my 18-foot panel wall.